Hey guys. So on our latest video, this one, the one that okay, I don't even want to look at it. Well, anyway, my sisters are eating right now, but you know that latest video that I did a few minutes ago, or let me see, 25 minutes ago. So, today that was my little sister. I let her. So now I'm gonna play some AJ for at least like 30 minutes, I guess. Yeah. So let's start. Shadow hasn't been on for days. I don't know what happened. Oops. Wrong account. So let me pause this. There we go. Let's see if our little friends are on. Yes, she's on. Yes. Okay, let me say hi. Wait 1 second, jammers. This is a little bit of trouble. Oof. Bad time. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see who joined the show. Yes, fashion show. Yeah. Yes. And I'm also recording. Yay! Hey, buddy. Okay, let me take off this music. Okay, want to listen to real music. I'm gonna put on one of my favorite songs. So I want you guys to hear it. It's really me and Shadow's favorite. But let's see. Wait. Yes. So, okay. Oh, not this. No. Not that. I hate ads. Oh, this is too loud. Okay. Oh my god, it's just my first time talking on speaker. I just learned how to do it, so. Anywho, MK guys. Shout out the first. She's my friend, she's cool. She's cool. Okay, let me give us something. Yeah. What about some nice. Jamalade scarf. With open Wednesday, my empty yard. Waiting for love. Thank the stars, it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting till love come around. Yeah, I love being weird and annoying. Of course, cats for life. I get you. You get me, I get you. Yeah, okay. Anywho, that's not sure where I am. So anyways, my shadow hasn't been on for days. Look. So if I go to her, oh wait. Also, the Shop King was on today. I met him and yeah, so Shadow hasn't been on for a few days, which is sad because I don't know if anything happened or like I don't know. So hopefully nothing bad. So first thing, yes, first thing. Let me get into my mode. Spring, yes, I love spring. I love spring. Yes. Yes. Okay, 1 second. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I forgot. Okay. Flowers and stuff. I guess. I don't really have that much stuff because let's see if we can find something nice though. Regret. These are the days. Regret. Oh yes, I have an idea. Purple flowers. That would be cute. So. I'll do a really light yellow. Oh my god. Well, anywho. Ah.